Heart disease is the #1 killer of both women and men, and women account for nearly half of all heart attack deaths.
I think the most important point that we need to start with is this. The #1 killer of women in the United States is heart disease. It's not breast cancer, it's not any of those other things, it's actually heart disease. There's a lot of factors that go into it. Women who have a younger age at menopause, who are on hormone replacement therapies, women who use oral contraceptives and they're a heavy smoker, you have to have both. Also any type of maternal and placental syndromes like preeclampsia, gestational hypertension. Of course, you know, the regulars too, like diabetes, hypertension, gout, tooth disease. Family history is another big one too.
The chance of developing heart disease can be reduced by taking steps to prevent and control risk factors.
Lose weight. Obesity is a big risk factor. Quit tobacco, whether it's smoking, chewing, or dipping. Exercise, and go to your doctor at least once a year. And not just because you have a cold. Go for a prevention visit.
It is important for women to recognize the various signs and symptoms of a heart attack.
Women will have sometimes different presentations of chest pain that we have to be aware of, and that would include shortness of breath, weakness, unusual fatigue, back pain. They can also have dizziness. They can have lower chest comfort or even upper abdominal pressure, which can sometimes mimic indigestion. So those are important things to be aware of.
It is also important to have an ongoing relationship with a physician.
If you get into the medical system and you have all these different complaints, you can be sent to many different physicians. You may not be sent for the right problems. If you have a centralized doctor, like a family doctor, we can better evaluate you ahead of time and oftentimes treat the situations. We're trained in a broad base of things, but we can also channel you to the right specialist that you need to go to, hopefully save you healthcare dollars and time.
For more information or to schedule an appointment with Dr. Palombo, call 318-561-0001. Francis Yeager, ABC 31 News, Medical Minute.
The Medical Minute is brought to you in part by CHRISTUS St. Francis Cabrini Hospital.